Hey, hello, hello. See you on the other side of that camera? Well, maybe I don't see you, but I know you're there. Glad you tuned in. Do you want to get your friends out of the stupid mode? Do you love them? Do you care about them? If you do, I'm sure you would like to help them with a two-step educational process that will take them from where they're at, not knowing where they're going, to how to properly organize, structure, and to grow a business, any business, while also adding real estate to it, which will assure long-term success and wealth. To learn more about what we do, how we do it, and how you will benefit, you have to learn something new, think something new, say something new, and do something new. Drop a comment or a like below. We will follow up and send you a link to a 13-minute video.